everybody, it's me, Aidan. Welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today we're going to be making, drumroll please, veggie pasta. The ingredients that we're going to be using are farfalle bow tie pasta, olive oil, I'll spritz you away if you don't subscribe, spritz, spritz, crushed tomatoes for sauce, 2 of them, artichoke hearts, calamari olives, salt, pepper, garlic, basil, sweet. The items that we're using are a sifter, don't do that kids, 2 spoons, a big spoon, a garlic press. The first step is coming over to the pot and filling it with water, which I already did, and then turning on. Guys, I made it a little preheated, so I don't have to wait so long. Guys, now for the prep, we're going to be grabbing artichoke hearts, a spoon, and we will put our big knife aside. First of all, open it up, grab a couple hearts out. Grab the hearts out. Some oil got on the counter, guys, and start cutting. Guys, if you have a chance, go to my friend on YouTube. His channel is called Nicholas Built. Go tell him in the comments that Aidan Awesome sent you, and he'll know that now you guys are his subscribers. Give him a thumbs up. It's good. Set it aside on your cutting board. Now grab your garlic clove, break it. Break it out. Yes, guys, this one barely has anything on it. So we're gonna put it back in this container. Grab the helper, put it in. And guys, remember how we had to do 1 by 1 last time when we did it? I found out because in the burger episode, because I found out we weren't closing the ends. And look, now we're able to peel it off. Guys, let's put the pasta in. Be careful. Get our garlic press and put it on. Some garlic presses are different. Mine is a squeeze. Some you put it on your cutting board and squeeze. But mine is a squeezer, like this. Guys, Nikki's 9 like me, from Nicholas Built, and Leland is 9 too. We're all the same age. Grab your big spoon and start mixing. Now guys, we got all our garlic, put it aside. Now we need to grab our calamari olives, our second scooper. Guys, I think our pasta's done. Yes, it is. Guys, now, guess what? Get your strainer at the sink. Turn it off. Mix it up. Now, guys, with this, since it's very hot, you need your assistant's help pouring it in. Even me, because mine have stubby handles, which is hard and hot. So I need my assistant's help. Wow, guys, it looks so good, right? Guys, now we want to water it. Ooh, oh, that's hot. Leave some water in, because now we're going to put the pasta back in the pot. Don't let any pasta escape from its doom of being eaten. It's fine. Over to the sink. And guys, since now we have it, grab our spoon. Guys, now grab our spoon, put in the artichoke hearts, and drop it straight into the pasta. And repeat if there's more. Now grab a small spoon and put in our garlic. Perfect flavor. Guys, now we're gonna grab our crushed tomatoes, open the lid, and pour it all in. Open it and put it in. Nothing but sauce. Open our Kalamata olives. Grab them and dump them on. Since it's a bigger batch, small, big knife. Now, grab our big spoon, put it all on. Oh yeah. Now, mix, 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 mix. Now, guys, grab our salt and pepper. Flavor, flavor. Now we want to grab some basil and cut off the stems. Big knife. Now, throw the three-pointer. No, I was wrong. We need more. Guys, who wants to join and cook with Gordon Ramsay? I know I do. Go to the link on fox.com and there'll be a link. Master Chef Junior. Now, brush your hands off, mix it up. Guys, now let's start. Cover the lid, let it simmer. Guys, we're looking for a good hot pasta. Not too mushy, not too burnt. Ugh. I think it's done. Thank you for cooking with me. Now it's time to plate it. Guys, I can't believe we made vegetable pasta. Now, secret ingredient, oil. That's what it's for. Spray it on top. Mix it up a little and try. So good, so flavorful. You guys need to try some. Enjoy. Cheers. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Gotta go for it again.